isang sasakyan dito. Naman tayo.
This is going towards South China Sea. Yun ang term nila. It's a subdivision, but it's called South China Sea. See, look. Look at this. Look. Yan, gagawa nila. Ka-stress mo. Look at that one. See. Okay. Look at the bundok. It's a bundok. Yun na yun naman po. Diba? Rocks. Rocks, paper, scissor. Bongacious.